G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 55 Miller Street in the popular bayside suburb of Urangan. We are easy strolling distance to the boat club marina. Let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your own piece of paradise in one of Hervey Bay's most exclusive locations in the popular seaside suburb of Urangan. This property also represents a strong investment opportunity and would make an ideal Airbnb or holiday rental. This lovely home has been professionally refurbished and is positioned on a low maintenance 453 square metre allotment in the highly sought after bayside location of Urangan. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle and convenience of having key amenities all within walking distance, including the Urangan Marina and boat ramps, the Hervey Bay Boat Club, Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Botanic Gardens, Esplanade, beach, cafes, restaurants and the iconic Urangan Pier. This great home will be ideal for those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels, with space to accommodate an RV or caravan. First home buyers looking to purchase in an established area with solid growth potential should also take note. Upon entering the home, you will immediately notice the kitchen forms the heart of this lovely home, conveniently located between the vast open plan living and dining area, which also includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning for year-round comfort. The kitchen includes loads of bench and storage space, plus a pantry. The appliances have recently been upgraded and include a new electric hot plate, oven and dishwasher. This home does include 3 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes, ceiling fans and reverse cycle split system air conditioning. The main bedroom includes an ensuite with shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom includes a bath, shower and vanity, plus you have a separate toilet. The expansive al fresco outdoor entertaining area wraps around the rear of this home, and this is where you'll enjoy and appreciate Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. The laundry includes a broom cupboard. Vehicle accommodation includes a single carport to the side of the home. You also have clear side access to the backyard with ample space to accommodate a caravan, RV or boat. You could also add a pool or shed if desired, and there is a garden shed to house all your garden utensils. Homes of this calibre in this location are always in high demand and are a rare commodity. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.